Let's understand MuleSoft with modern city analogy. Imagine the entire MuleSoft ecosystem as a modern city. At the center of the city is Anypoint Platform. This is the foundation. In city terms, it is the master plan. It gives the enterprise roads, bridges, traffic rules, security controls, and visibility. Every good city starts with a blueprint. That is where API Designer comes in. It helps teams define API contracts before implementation using standards such as RAML or OpenAPI spec and now gRPC. It makes sure everyone agrees on operations and security before anyone starts building. Then comes Anypoint Studio and Anypoint Code Builder as construction sites. Developers use them to build Mule applications, connect systems, transform data with data weave, implement logic, and handle errors. Now, cities move faster when teams reuse what already works. Anypoint Exchange is the shared marketplace and library. Teams can discover reusable assets instead of starting from zero. MuleSoft Vibes is like an AI apprentice architect. Developers can use natural language and enterprise context to accelerate API and integration development within MuleSoft governance. Once the city is designed and built, the services need somewhere to run. CloudHub is the managed business district. MuleSoft manages the cloud infrastructure, while teams deploy, configure, scale, and monitor their integrations. Then Runtime Manager becomes the city operations center. It gives teams visibility into logs, alerts, scaling, and health. A modern enterprise city also needs rules. API Manager protects individual APIs. It controls who gets access, which policies apply, how traffic is limited, and how APIs are governed. Today, the city is also dealing with AI agents, MCP servers, LLM calls, and agent-to-agent communication. That is where Omni Gateway becomes critical. Think of it as the central checkpoint for the agentic enterprise. Then there is intelligent document processing. Think of it as the intelligent mailroom. IDP extracts information from invoices and PDFs. Now the city has a new workforce, AI agents. They help in finance, customer service, HR, sales, and operations. But without governance, nobody knows who owns each agent or what it can access. Agent Fabric acts as the coordination center. So, when you hear MuleSoft, do not think of just one tool. Think of a modern enterprise city. Anypoint Platform is the foundation. Designer creates blueprints. Studio and Vibes build faster. Exchange enables reuse. CloudHub runs services. Manager keeps them healthy. Together, they help enterprises become ready for the agentic future. Don't forget to subscribe to MuleSoft Academy for more insights.